Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to walk you through setting up private internet access or PIA VPN on your device. This tool is fantastic for keeping your internet browsing safe from watchful eyes. Without further ado, let's dive right in and get you all set up. First up, let's talk about why you might need something like PIA VPN. PIA acts like a protective bubble around your internet connection. This means that everything you do online is hidden away from hackers and snoops. It's a must-have for anyone who values their privacy online, from students to everyday web surfers and even gamers. Now you might be wondering who exactly benefits the most from using a VPN. Well, it's really for everyone. Whether you're doing your online shopping, accessing bank accounts, or even streaming videos from different countries, PIA VPN keeps your activities secure and private. Now here's how you can get PIA VPN and download it on your device. To go to the site, simply head over to the description box down below and click my personal link. If you subscribe to PIA VPN using my link, you can get up to 78% off and 2 months for free. This is the best deal available on the internet and is only available to my viewers. After signing up for PIA VPN, you need to download the software. The vendor offers various versions of its VPN solution that are designed for different devices and operating systems. Once you have created your account, select the most compatible version of PIA that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, or iOS. Then, you can download the installer that is specifically designed for your system. Once you have downloaded the installer, go to the location where you saved it and run the executable file. Then, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. PIA's installer is straightforward and user-friendly, so once the installation is complete, you will be almost ready to start browsing the web securely. After you log into the program, simply click the large power button located in the middle of the screen to activate the service. Once the software establishes a connection with one of PIA's virtual private network servers, the power button will turn green and you will see the text "Connected" displayed at the top of the screen. Now you're all set to browse the web securely and privately. After you're connected and everything is configured, PIA's state-of-the-art Tier 1 multi-gigabit private network will provide you with online security, protect your identity, ensure anonymity, stop eavesdroppers, unblock websites, and grant you uncensored access to the internet. Moving over to some of the cool features PIA VPN offers, you'll find it's packed with tools that make your online life easier and safer. You can choose from servers all over the world with a simple click, making it look like your computer is in another country. This is great for accessing content that's restricted in your region. There's also a feature called split tunneling, which lets you decide which apps should use the VPN and which ones don't need it. Say you're gaming and browsing at the same time, but only want your browsing to go through the VPN. That's where split tunneling comes in handy. While we're on the topic of features, let's not forget about the dedicated IP option and the kill switch. A dedicated IP means you get the same IP address every time you connect, perfect for when you need a consistent connection for online gaming or secure access to your work network. The kill switch is a safety net. If your VPN connection drops, it instantly cuts your internet, ensuring none of your data leaks out. Let's talk about getting started with PIA VPN. Choosing their 2-year plan offers the most bang for your buck. I've been using PIA myself, and the value you get, especially with their robust security features, is fantastic. Plus, if you use the special link I've put in the description, you'll grab an awesome 78% discount and even get 2 months for free. Once again, this is the craziest deal available on the internet. Of course, no service is perfect. While PIA VPN offers a lot, the user interface might seem a bit simple for tech experts wanting advanced options, and occasionally the server speeds can vary, though it's rarely a big issue. Lastly, let's talk pricing. PIA VPN offers incredible value, but if you use my personal link in the description down below, you can get a whopping 78% discount and 2 additional months free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is literally the craziest deal on the internet. So that's all for today's tutorial on setting up PIA VPN. I hope this works out for you. If it does, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day ahead.